Nobody talks about these online jobs because beginners think you need experience. Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your laptop, and making your first $10 online. Even if you have zero experience, no degree, and no fancy skills. Sounds fake. Well, listen carefully because some people are literally getting paid online for things so simple, and most beginners completely ignore them. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that almost nobody want right now. Online jobs that you can start with absolutely no experience. And no, I am not talking about those scammy make $10,000 overnight videos. I am talking about real beginners friendly online jobs that normal people are doing every single day to earn extra money. Some cases even full-time income. Some of these jobs can literally be started today with just a phone or laptop and internet connection. And thought out this video, I am also going to mention real apps and websites that people actually use. So make sure you watch until that end because the last few methods and honestly the most underrated. So we can talk first why online jobs are booming. First, let's understand something important. The internet changed everything. A few years ago, if you wanted to make money, you needed experience, a resume, interviews, maybe even a degree. Now, companies care more about results than creativity. There are business online that departments need help with small tasks every single day, and most people don't know this. A lot of online work is not difficult. Sometimes companies just need sometimes to reply to emojis, sometimes to write captions, someone to test websites, someone to organize data, someone to edit short videos, someone to manage simple tasks. That it. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be willing to learn and stay consistency. Job number one, freelance writing. Let's start with one of the easiest beginner friendly online jobs, freelance writing. Now, before you panic and think, but I am not a professional writer, listen carefully. Most business online don't need Shakespeare. They need simple, clear writing. For example, blog post, product description, social media captions, email newsletters, YouTube scripts. Yes, even YouTube scripts like this one. And thanks to AI tools, writing has become much easier for beginners. You can start learning by rewriting articles, summarizing content, or practical simple storytelling. Real platforms where beginners start, like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com is spelling. This is a spelling. Freelancer.com. Beginners writes might make $5 to $20 for small tasks, even $50 plus for longer articles. Some experiment writers make 100 per project. And here the crazy part. Once you get a few clients, experience start building automatically. Our job number two, vertical assistant. Next is becoming a vertical assistant. This is one of the most underrated online jobs right now. A vertical assistant basically help business owners with simple online tasks. Things like scheduling meeting, replying to messages, managing spreadsheets, organizing files, posting social media content. And no, you don't need advanced skills. Most people learn while doing the work. In fact, many small business owners prefer beginners because they can train them their own way. Websites where people find VA jobs. BelaySolution.com is a. Our second is fancyhands.com. Our third is indeed.com. Some beginners vertical assistants earn $10 to $20 per hour. Experienced VAS can earn way more. This is important. Communication matters more than experience here. If you are relatable and reply professionally, you already have an advantage over many people. Job number three, social media management. Now let's talk about something huge. Social media management. Business are obsessed with social media right now. Restaurant, gyms, clothing brands, local stores, everybody wants attention online. But many business owners are too shy to post consistently. That's where beginners come in. You can help business, write captions, post contents, reply to comments, even find trending ideas, schedule posts, and honestly, a lot of small business don't even care if you are an expert. They just want someone dependable. Apps that help beginners right now. So first is Canva.com. This is a very useful app. Our second is Buffer.com and our third is Letter.com. Some beginners charge $50 to $300 per month per client. Now imagine managing 5 small clients. That can become a real income and huge income. Our fourth number job is online surveys and user testing. Okay, now let's talk about the easiest category, getting paid for opinions and testing websites. Now, this will not make you rich, but for complete beginners, it can be a great starting point. Companies pay user to test apps, review websites, give feedback, complete surveys, and most people don't know this. Some website testing jobs pay separable well for short tasks. Real platforms are usertesting.com, swigbugs.com, responded.io. This spelling is respondent.io. Example, a 10 into 20-minute website test might pay around $10. Again, not life-changing money, but if you just starting online, even you first $10 feels exciting because it proves this stuff is real. Our fifth number is data entry. Now let's talk about one of the most beginners friendly online jobs ever, data entry. This is basically organize information into system or spreadsheets. Simple tasks like copying information, typing documents, updating records, organizing files. The reason many beginners start here is because the learning curve is small. But listen carefully, there are many fake data entry scams online. So always use trusted platforms, safe places to look. So like the website is clickworker.com, flexjobs.com, remote.co. Some jobs pay small amounts, other pay hourly. The key is using it as a stepping stone while building better skills. Our sixth number job, short form video editing. Now, this one is a huge potential. Short form video editing. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Short videos are exploding right now and thousands of creators need editors. Most people think editing is difficult, but beginners editing today is much easier because of AI tools and templates. Apps beginners use that are so simple that I can use this app. This app is CapCut, like CapCut.com, vid.io, descript.com. Listen carefully. If you can make videos more entertaining with captions, cards, and music, creators will pay for that. Beginners editors might earn $10 to $50 per short video. Bigger creators pay much more and the skill is growing fast. So our online job number 7, customer support. Another addicted online job is customer support. A lot of companies hire remote worker to answer emails, handle live chat, help customers solve simple issues, and guess what? Many companies train beginners. What matters most is patient, clear communication, professional attitude, websites to check. So our website is first is liveops.com, liveops.com, workingsolutions.com. So our third is we work remotely, WEWORKREMOTELY.com. Some customer support jobs start around $12 to $20 per hour and more many people this becomes their first stable online income. So, biggest mistake beginners make. Now listen carefully because this is part is important. Most beginners fail online for three reasons. Number one, they quit too early. They try some things for 3 days, make no money and give up. But online income usually takes time. Number two, they jump between too many methods. One day freelancing, next day service, next day crypto, next day drop shopping. Focus one skill first. And number three, they expect fast money. Real online income is like building a musical. So our next is how to actually get started. So if you are watching this right now and wondering, okay, but what should I do first? Here's the simple plan. Step 1. Choose one skills from this video. Just one. Step 2. Spend 7 days learning basics on YouTube for free. Step 3. Create simple practice work. Step 4. Apply consistently. Most people don't know this. The people making money online are usually not the smartest. They are just the people who stayed consistent longer than everyone else. So realistic is, I also want to keep this realistic. Your first month online might only make just $20, $50, maybe $100, and that's okay. But the goal is at the beginning, it not becoming rich overnight. The goal is proving to yourself, yes, I can make money online. Once that belief becomes real, everything changes. So yeah, those are some best online jobs I can tell you. You can create without experience in 2026. And honestly, we are living is one of the best times even for beginners because information is free, tools are easier, and opportunities are everywhere online. But also remember, watching videos will not change your life. You can change your life taking action well. So pick one method from this video and start today. Even if you only spend 30 minutes learning, that small start matters more than you think. And if you enjoyed this video, making sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below which online job interested you the most. I read the comments and I'd love to know where you are watching from. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.